And here we have it. 2 happy pups in a beautiful garden, basking in the golden sun. I hope you enjoyed watching the making of this painting as much as I enjoyed painting it. If you're interested in owning a copy of this original piece, feel free to click the link in my bio for my shop, and then you get the digital download file and can print as many copies of this as you'd like. Give it to your friends, your family, keep it for yourself on the wall. You own the rights, one-time price only, print as much as you want. That's better than a Walmart deal, right? Also, please do me a favor. If you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe to the channel. It really does help it grow and get this out to other people who enjoy painting and watching others paint as well. You can also follow me on Instagram if you're interested in that. I'll put that right here on the video screen for you, and also it'll be down in the description. Oh, and by the way, the shop link is also in the description. I forgot to mention that earlier. Want to make it easy for you guys. And if you can't wait until my next video, then by all means, click this one up on the screen. Again, I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I did enjoy making this beautiful, classic piece of art, one of a kind, just for you. Just love how it glows in the sun. All right, I'll catch you later.